Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Affirm at Walmart in-store. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to start using your Affirm account to purchase something in Walmart, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to open up the Affirm app here, and you want to go ahead and go to the actual Walmart section. Now, you can go and just click on the search at the very top there and search for Walmart. And typically, once you do search for it, you should see this option here. It says pay with a one-time use virtual card. Now, the thing with Walmart is if you want to shop online, you need to use the Walmart option. But since we are in store, you need to use a one-time card. Now, creating a one-time card is quite easy. Just click on it, and it will redirect you to the following pages. Now, first is you need to set up your payment plan. So go ahead and just choose your payment plan here and also indicate how much you want to basically spend. Just make sure to only indicate how much you need on that specific instance. Like, for example, your total groceries is around like $100. Just make sure that you are only using like $100 in here. But yeah, so in here, just complete the setup process here, your payment plan. And once you've done that and chosen your payment method here where your balance will be auto-completed or will be auto-paid, but it should redirect you to this section here. Now, it will ask you if you want to add your card into your device. So you could add this to your device and you could just ask the clerk that you want to pay via a card. Now you can go and just tap your card or your phone into the checkout page, in the checkout terminal, and typically they would basically allow you to pay for your current groceries. But then again, in some cases they may not allow that, so you may want to look for any barcodes here. Now, typically, you should see a barcode section for if your app is updated. But then again, if you do see the barcode in your account, you can go and just show that into the merchant or in the cashier, and they'll be able to scan that. Now, if you're not sure how to do that, you can also ask the cashier how to exactly set that up or how do you exactly see that in your phone. But in this case, that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.